So there is a tool in Google Ads that is very underestimated, and we should start using that tool in our campaigns. Hello, so my name is Osman Bawany and I am a page search specialist by profession who specializes in the field of Google Ad. So as I discussed that there is a tool in Google Ad that is very underestimated, and that tool is negative keywords. So negative keyword is a tool that is very underestimated and that could actually do wonders in your campaign. And you are like that, how it would do wonders in my campaign? It would actually reduce your CPCs and CPL. And you will be like, what? CPCs and CPL? Yes. If your CPCs and CPL are very high, it would actually reduce your CPCs and CPL. Now you will be like that, how it could reduce my CPCs and CPL? Let's take an example that you have a shop of sneakers. You have different brands like Nike, Adidas, Reebok, but you don't have Skechers. And you don't want your website ad to be shown to those people who are actually interested in Skechers. But somehow your website ad is being shown to those people who are actually interested in Skechers. And you are like that, why is that happening? And that's the right question. You should question that why that's happening. Even though I'm not bidding on Skechers keywords, still my ad is being shown to that person who is interested in Skechers. And how is that happening? And you will be like that there's something wrong. But there's nothing wrong, because it's all about Google algorithm. And Google algorithm will be like that this guy is actually interested in Skechers, but who knows that he might buy Reebok, Adidas or Nike because he is at the very top of the funnel or at the very middle of the funnel. So we should show him some different websites also, and that's where your website comes, because your website doesn't have Skechers, but there's a high possibility that he might buy a Reebok or a Nike brand because he is an impulsive buyer, and if he found your sneakers very good at an affordable price, who knows that he might buy. So that's why Google algorithm is showing your ad to that person. So you are like, I'm a money man, I don't want my money to be wasted on that person who is actually searching for Skechers, because I don't have Skechers. So there is a high possibility that he might not buy anything from my website. And you might be right. So how can you do that? And that's where the negative keyword tool comes. You will actually use Skechers as a negative keyword in your campaign as an exact match and as in phrase match, and your problem will be solved. So you'll be like that, why my CPC and CPL will get low by using negative keyword. Let's take an example that person is entering your website and he doesn't find anything related to Skechers on your website. So when he entered your website and clicked on your ad, that ad cost was like around $5, because that keyword where Google was bidding your ad was like around $5, and that CPC was around $5. So that's why your CPC got higher. But if your ad is not being shown to that person who's interested in Skechers, so you are not bidding for a keyword like Skechers, and your CPC can get lower because your money is not being wasted on keywords like Skechers. Same is the case with CPL, because if a person is entering your website and he is costing $5 to you, but he is not being converted as a customer, and that is actually wasting your money. So in order to reduce the wastage of money, you should use negative keyword as a tool in your campaign. Now that's the beauty of negative keyword. I hope you understood my video. If you understood it, so please like it, and if you want me to make more videos on this channel, so please subscribe the channel, so that Google algorithm will say that, hey, there are some legit people who are actually viewing Usman's website, so Usman should make some new videos for those viewers. Till next time, take care, goodbye. Osman Bawany signing off.